Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. This vehicle has the 6.2 liter V8 and it was locally owned. It only has 17,710 miles at the moment. This vehicle does have the Summit White exterior and the jet black Kalahari accent interior. That's what the seats look like, and it has the AT4 logo on the headrest. It does have running boards. This is the Carbon Pro AT4, so it has the Carbon Pro logo up here. This vehicle does have a soft tonneau cover, and if I open the tailgate, it has the Kicker sound system where you can connect your phone to it and it will play it out of the speakers on your tailgate. So you just connect that via Bluetooth. That's what the bed liner looks like. This vehicle does have a sunroof, which is up there. Buttons are right here for that. It does have a power sliding rear window right here, and a universal home remote up there. This vehicle also includes front and rear park assist, so if you're getting too close to something when you're backing up or going forward, it will start beeping at you to let you know that you were getting too close to something. It also has heated and cooled front seats, which the buttons are up here for. It has navigation, which is up here. You just click that. Then you can type in whatever address you want to go to and it will take you there through the nav on here. This also has wireless charging, which is right down here. And it has heated second row seats, which the buttons are right up here for that. So the second row can have heated seats also when it's cold outside. That's all I have on this vehicle. If you have any questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.